Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review of this 6-drawer dresser that I just put together. Altogether took me about, I want to say, about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I'd say most people would take between 2 and 3 hours. But this is a really, really nice, sort of classic look to it. It's got the silver handles. And on the bottom, it has that sort of, I guess, molding type of design to it. I'm going to put my hand in the drawer to see the perception of how big it is. So generally, I'd say it's pretty spacious for a 6-drawer dresser. Not too bulky, but at the same time, not so short where the drawers are pretty non-existent. So pretty nice piece of furniture. Go ahead and check it out. I'll see you on the next review.